Meaning of gadfly.
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 Gadfly. The term gadfly refers to a person who persistently annoys or provokes others to take some action. It comes from the idea of a fly that constantly lands on and annoys a horse, which then is urged to move forward. A gadfly can be seen as a nuisance or irritant, but it can also be viewed as a necessary force for change or progress. In some cases, gadflies are individuals who challenge the status quo and push society to improve. Overall, a gadfly is someone who agitates or challenges others to act.